Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at an idiom because it's the Christmas season and I love Christmas cookies. So this idiom is really long. Come on. To be caught with your hand in the cookie jar. To be caught with your hand in a cookie jar. I love cookies, but to be caught with your hand in the cookie jar means that you have been caught in the act of doing something wrong. What? Yeah, if you were caught in the act of doing something wrong, we could say, "Ooh, look who got caught with their hand in the cookie jar. Look who got caught doing something wrong." Now, this idiom makes sense. Why do we say the cookie jar? Well, because we love cookies. But I'm not sure how many people still have a cookie jar when there's so many bags of cookies at the supermarkets. Let's review. To be caught with your hand in the cookie jar means to be caught in the act of doing something wrong. Why does English have such a long idiom when they could just say, "Hey, you got caught"? I don't know. But now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. He was caught with his hand in the cookie jar when he was texting in church. What? Come on, English.